Outside Van has unveiled its latest creation, the Parks Adventure Van, tailored for those who seek the ultimate mobile living experience. This groundbreaking vehicle combines rugged outdoor capabilities with luxurious features, including a full washroom and a state-of-the-art smart control center. As the demand for adventure-ready vans rises, Outside Van sets a new standard in camper vans, appealing to both outdoor enthusiasts and families. Built on a sturdy chassis, the Parks Adventure Van is designed to tackle various terrains while offering a stylish and comfortable living space. It caters to explorers who don't want to forfeit the comforts of home. A standout feature is the full washroom, which includes a shower, toilet, and sink, an upgrade over many camper vans that offer limited facilities. This ensures that adventurers can maintain hygiene and comfort on their journeys. The Parks Adventure Van also features a smart control center that centralizes management of the vehicle's systems. Users can easily monitor and control aspects such as lighting, heating, water levels, and battery status through a user-friendly interface. This integration of smart technology reflects a growing trend in the van conversion market, emphasizing convenience and connectivity for an enhanced camping experience. Thoughtfully designed interiors provide ample space for relaxation and functionality. The living area includes comfortable seating that converts into sleeping spaces, making it perfect for families or groups. High-quality materials and finishes create a warm atmosphere, while large windows invite natural light and offer scenic views of the great outdoors. The kitchen area is designed for practicality, equipped with a refrigerator, stove, and sink, facilitating easy meal preparation regardless of location. Its efficient layout maximizes space, allowing users to cook and dine inside or enjoy meals outdoors under the stars. For eco-conscious adventurers, the Parks Adventure Van features optional solar panels on the roof, providing renewable energy for appliances and reducing reliance on traditional power sources. This focus on sustainability aligns with the values of those who prioritize responsible travel while enjoying the open road. Customization is another key aspect of the Parks Adventure Van, allowing buyers to tailor the vehicle to their unique preferences. Options for additional storage, upgraded technology, and personalized aesthetics ensure that each van can be a true reflection of its owner's needs. The launch of the Parks Adventure Van coincides with a surge in interest in outdoor activities and van life. More people are seeking alternative travel options that allow for exploration without sacrificing comfort, making Outside Van's new model particularly appealing. The combination of a full washroom and smart technology in a compact, rugged design is likely to attract diverse buyers, from families to solo travelers. As the outdoor recreation market evolves, brands like Outside Van are at the forefront of innovative design and functionality. The Parks Adventure Van represents not just a vehicle but a lifestyle that embraces exploration, freedom, and comfort. In conclusion, Outside Van's Parks Adventure Van sets a new benchmark in the camper van market, offering a perfect blend of luxury, technology, and practicality. With its full washroom, smart control center, and customizable features, this model enhances the outdoor experience, ensuring travelers feel at home wherever they park. As adventurers embark on their next great escape, the Parks Adventure Van promises to be an invaluable companion, elevating the van life experience to new heights.